Good morning, everybody. This is Jonathan Dykes with Renu Krew Softwash. Today we're out in Foxworth, Mississippi, and the customer has called us and asked us to come clean this big long driveway in his front entrance area, also his pool area. And we're about to get started. We're currently waiting on a little water to fill up the tank. But once we get that tank full, it's going to be on like Donkey Kong. Come along for the ride. A little more video footage. We're going to be cleaning all underneath that house area, that front patio area, all this concrete right here, all the way down to the front entrance. A little over 700 foot to the front, but when you got 500 foot of pressure hose and about 300 foot of water hose, ain't no hill for no climber. A lot of black stains on the concrete. That's going to clean up real nicely. A little pre-treatment. Hey everybody, we just finished this job out here in Foxworth. A little over, I believe, 12,000 square feet from the main residence all the way to this gate right here. So homeowner's very pleased. And if you know anybody that's in an hour and a half of Hattiesburg and they're needing some house washing or roof cleaning or even concrete cleaning, give us a call, 601-248-9905. Again, signing off, this is Jonathan Dykes with the Renu Krew Softwash. Have a great day.